Abhishek Tripathi, in light of this new video and of these strong allegations, do you believe that something has to be done to enhance transparency in how this is being investigated?
Vishnu, let me start off saying whatever we are seeing since afternoon, this is very unfortunate that things are unfolding in this manner. But my one question to the gentleman who's come as a witness, where was he for last 3 weeks? Is there any pressure on him from the Maharashtra government or the Honorable Minister who has been talking against Mr. Sameer Wankhede that we will put him behind bars in few days? So is this a conspiracy of that sort? Because on what basis that this person who was made a punch suddenly comes after 20 days, 22 days and says all of that we have heard?
Okay.
So I am not very sure how to believe somebody just because somebody has today chosen to appear on television and say everything, and he'll have to prove it.
No, Abhishek, I think that's an important point. But that said, it's not just appearing. Prabhakar Sahil is not just appear on television. He's got a publicly notarized document. So he is legally accountable for the allegations. It's not just coming on TV.
So Vishnu, I will say he has a right to file a complaint and let there be investigation.
Yeah.
These are two different things.
Yeah.
There is a case on Aryan Khan supposedly, and that is happening. Day after tomorrow, there is a bail hearing in Mumbai High Court. That will proceed as per. Let him file a case. Let there be a judicial or whatever the government decides in terms of inquiry. Let it proceed.
No, but Abhishek, my only submission over here, my only point over here is, what difference does it make if he has filed this complaint 20 days later and not 2 days later? What really, I mean, at the end of the day, it's a complaint. Maybe, I mean, he fears for his life now. He says that this Gosavi has disappeared and that there is a lookout for Gosavi. So,
Absolutely.
That was not the case earlier on. It is now, which is why he says he feels he's scared and he feels he may be bumped off. I mean, that's essentially what his allegation is.
This was bound to happen because if he had done it barely 3 days before, when the Honorable Minister openly in the press conference and different news channels, he was literally threatening Mr. Sameer Wankhede, an officer in NCB, that we will ensure that he'll be behind the bars. So it is happening right barely 48 hours or 72 hours barely after that. So there is a suspicion everywhere.
I think that's fair. I think there is a suspicion everywhere. There's a political series of allegations.
I would agree with Abhishek. Agree with Abhishek. But the thing is that during the course of investigation, this issue which Abhishek has raised will also be investigated. The authenticity, the genuineness, and the delay in making of this complaint will also be investigated. But for investigation, you first need an FIR. First, an FIR needs to be investigated, and I said it can be registered against an unknown person.
No, so, and there's no. That's important. Abhishek, would you agree? There is an allegation now. File an FIR. That has to be done instantly.
That absolutely. I said that in the beginning.
Okay.
Let there be inquiry on this.
Okay. Let there be an inquiry.